In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a shipping zone quickly and easily using WooCommerce on your WordPress site. If you have been navigating the world of e-commerce, you know that optimizing your shipping settings is a crucial part of managing your online store effectively. Configuring the correct zones not only ensures a smoother process for you, but also significantly enhances your customer's experience. So let's get right into it without any further ado. First, you'll need to head over to the WordPress dashboard. This is your main control hub where you can access all the settings and features available to you. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side menu. As you navigate through these options, you'll find the WooCommerce section, which is where we'll be directing our attention today. Go ahead and click on WooCommerce. This will open up a variety of submenus, each giving you the ability to manage different aspects of your store, from products to payment gateways. But what we're honing in on today is shipping. So let's move on to the next step. Next, you'll need to click on Settings within the WooCommerce menu. Clicking here takes you to a page where you can adjust all manner of settings pertinent to your store operations. The many tabs available here correspond to different areas of your online store that you sort of command, if you will. Let's direct our focus now to the Shipping tab. Once you've found the Shipping tab, click on it. This tab will bring you directly to your shipping zones. Shipping zones are incredibly important as they define specific geographical areas where different shipping methods can apply. In this section, you'll also see a list of added shipping zones already configured in your store. For our tutorial, we're going to focus on how you can make changes to any one of these. Within your list of configured shipping zones, locate the specific zone you wish to edit. You'll see an Edit option right next to it, and that's what you'll need to click on next. This is where the magic happens. By clicking Edit, you enter the edit mode of that specific shipping zone, allowing you to make